I will first accept the cookie banner to clear the view. Then I will click the search field and type in Inception as a strong opening movie guess to establish the target medium, year, and rating. I will select the first result and click the guess button to submit. Type card is green for Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released before 2010. Red card, arrow down with an MBD rating lower than 8.8. Red card, arrow down. No genres: action, adventure, sci-fi, actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page, or directors Nolan from Inception overlap with the target. I need to look for a pre-2010 movie in different genres like drama, comedy, or thriller with a rating below 8.8. Type card is green for Inception. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. No genres from Inception: action, adventure, sci-fi matched. I will try Pulp Fiction 1994, which is a highly rated crime/drama movie from an earlier decade, to narrow down the year and rating further. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie is newer than 1994. Red card, arrow up, but older than 2010 from previous guess. The rating is lower than 8.9. Red card, arrow down. The genre drama is a match. Green pill, but crime is not. No actors or directors from Pulp Fiction overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1995-2009, rating 8.8. Genre includes drama but not crime/action/adventure/sci-fi. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction. Target medium equals movie. The target is a drama released between 1995 and 2009 with a rating below 8.8. I will guess The Truman Show 1998, which fits the year range and drama genre while being a different style from previous guesses. Type card is green for The Truman Show movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie is newer than 1998. Yellow card, arrow up, so 1999 or 2000, and has a rating lower than 8.1. Red card, arrow down. The genre drama is a match. Green pill, but comedy is not. No actors or directors from The Truman Show overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1999-2000, rating 8.1. Genre, drama, no comedy/crime/action. Type card is green for The Truman Show. Target medium equals movie. The target is a drama from 1999 or 2000 with a rating below 8.2. I will guess American Psycho 2000, which is a drama/crime/thriller with a 7.6 rating, fitting the year and rating constraints. Type card is green for American Psycho movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 1999. Year 2000 is yellow with a down arrow. The rating is lower than 7.6. Red card, arrow down. The genre drama is a match. Green pill, but crime and horror are not. No actors or directors from American Psycho overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1999, rating 7.6. Genre, drama, no crime/horror/comedy/action. Type card is green for American Psycho. Target medium equals movie. The target is a 1999 drama with a rating below 7.6. I will guess Cruel Intentions 1999, which is a drama/romance with a 6.8 rating, fitting all current constraints. Type card is green for Cruel Intentions movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 1999. Year is green. The rating is higher than 6.8. Red card, arrow up, but lower than 7.6 from previous guess. The genre drama is a match. Green pill, but romance is not. No actors or directors from Cruel Intentions overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1999, rating 6.9-7.5. Genre, drama, no romance/crime/horror/comedy/action. Type card is green for Cruel Intentions. Target medium equals movie. The target is a 1999 drama with a rating higher than 6.8 but lower than 7.6. I will first view the poster hint to get more visual information. Then I will guess Girl, Interrupted 1999, which is a drama with a 7.3 rating, fitting all constraints. Type card is green for Girl, Interrupted movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 1999. Year 2000 is yellow with a down arrow. The rating is lower than 7.3. Red card, arrow down. The genre drama is a match. Green pill, but biography is not. No actors or directors from Girl, Interrupted overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1999, rating 7.3. Genre, drama, no biography/romance/crime/horror/comedy/action. Type card is green for Girl, Interrupted. Target medium equals movie. The target is a 1999 drama with a rating lower than 7.3. I will guess Magnolia 1999, which is a prominent drama from that year. Although its current IMDb rating is higher, I need to test more 1999 dramas to find overlaps in cast or director. Type card is green for Steel Magnolias movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie is newer than 1989. Red card, arrow up, and has a rating lower than 7.3. Red card, arrow down. The genres comedy and drama are matches. Green pills, but romance is not. No actors or directors from Steel Magnolias overlap. Constraints: movie, year 1989, rating 7.3. Genres, comedy and drama, no romance. Type card is green for Steel Magnolias. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1989 and has a rating lower than 7.3. It must be a comedy and drama but not romance. I will guess Office Space 1999, which is a comedy/drama with a 7.6 rating, testing if the rating arrow is reliable or if I need to narrow the year further. Type card is green for Office Space movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released in 1999. Year is green. The rating is lower than 7.6. Red card, arrow down. The genre comedy is a match green pill, but drama is not gray pill. No actors or directors from Office Space overlap. Constraints, movie, year 1999, rating 7.6, genre, comedy, no drama / romance / crime / horror / action. Type card is green for Office Space, target medium equals movie. The target is a 1999 comedy with a rating lower than 7.6. It is not a drama, romance, crime, or horror. I will first use the hint to reveal an actor, then guess Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me 1999, which is a pure comedy with a 6.6 rating. Type card is green for Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie is newer than 1997. Yellow card, arrow up, and has a rating lower than 7.0. Yellow card, arrow down. The genre comedy is a match green pill. The synopsis: a lazy law school graduate adopts a kid to impress his girlfriend. Perfectly describes Big Daddy 1999. Constraints, movie, year 1999, comedy, rating 7.0. Type card is green for Austin Powers, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1997 and has a rating lower than 7.0. The synopsis provided in the previous step: a lazy law school graduate adopts a kid to impress his girlfriend, is the exact plot of Big Daddy 1999. I will guess Big Daddy. I nailed it. The answer was Big Daddy 1999, and I got there in 10 guesses. The turning point was a 1999 year match and that specific synopsis about a law school grad adopting a kid. It was the perfect clue to bring it home.